In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson L130 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson L130 support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results, you come back with an Epson support page. This is Epson L130 support. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, you want to select underneath Product Setup where it says Epson Product Setup. Go ahead and select that to expand it, and then select the download button underneath of that. And then once it's on your system, open up the file. It should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select Yes. And then you just want to proceed with the installer here, getting your printer configured for wired or wireless printing, as well as optional features you may want to install alongside of your printer. Please know you should have your Wi-Fi credentials already put into your printer itself before launching this utility. You can refresh it once it's opened up, but you probably want to just save yourself a little time and just make sure that's done ahead of time. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.